Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to install the Fly Cart feature for WooCommerce from the demo. Here's the plugin, WPC Fly Cart for WooCommerce. It's free. They do have a pro version if you want more options and stuff, but I think this free version works pretty nice. So I'm going to go to our plugins, and here's our test site that doesn't have it right now. We're going to add a new plugin, and it's going to be the Fly Cart. There we go. Install this thing. Activate. And let's see what happens. Okay. Nothing happened. Why not? Let me see. Settings. Fly Cart. Save changes maybe here. And then let's see what happens now. Oh, my video was covering it. Ha! Okay, so by default, it looks a little bit different than the one I have, and it's got a lot of different options here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and go over and do the settings. And actually, I'll show you the settings here. That way you can screenshot or something if you'd like. But under this WP Clever Fly Cart. And so, yes, you can upload a background image here, which we'll do. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do these side by side here. So yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Show, yes, right, yes. I'm going to say the right side. Show. Instead of a color background, I'm going to do a background image. I'm going to choose one from here. And I don't know. Let's do this one. Could be cool. Yep. Okay. Close. Button. Show it. Yes. Open the same tab. Show it. Tab. Hide. Price. Hide. Show. Show. Hide. I'm going to hide the save for later. Subtotal. Show. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hides in a show. 2, 3, 4, 5. And a show. Cart and checkout, instant checkout, no. I'm just getting these to where, I guess I could have paused the video and do this, but if you want to follow along and do it with me, that's fine. Suggested products carousel, no, because it's just going to muddy it up. We don't want that. Empty cart, hide, no. Hide show, hide, no. Share cart, hide show. Continue shopping. I just want it to close and be on the same page. Undo, remove. We'll say no on that. Reload. Hide on pages. I don't want to do that. Getting close to the end here. Bubble. Enable yes. Bottom right. That will fix. Now I can move this over. And then which cart? I liked that one better than this. So let me go ahead and choose that one. I think it was that one. Okay. And button class or ID. Yeah, I didn't do anything there. Save changes. Awesome. Now let's go out here now. And that's the other one. Here we go. This is our test site. And yeah, again, it's right there. But when I refresh, it should come out over here. Cool. Boom. Okay, yeah, that background wasn't the greatest. Let's go ahead and add something to the cart here. Let's just add a t-shirt. Add to cart. Yay. All right, cool. We go back to the shop page here. Okay, so, and you can see there's some basic styling down here. If you wanted to change the color of this continue shopping, you can. You would just need to go. And let me just get rid of this now that we don't need this. you would go into the theme file editor, and I understand. I recommend like copying all this, pasting it into a local file. That way you have this as a backup. But I'm just gonna do that. Copy, and I'll just launch my code editor program. I'll do a new file. I'll save it as Josefin.css. Paste this in here. And you can put your custom CS code in the Divi theme options area, which is right, Divi theme options. I'll open that new tab. So you can put code down here, or you can edit it right here. So I'm going to scroll up. This is the same code that I have back here, and I'm just going to look for Fly Cart, and you'll see I have a whole section here on Fly Cart. So I'm hiding the Elegant Themes cart right here. So if you want to use that instead, you just get rid of this. And then here's some background. This is just styling the gradient above the image, and that's that Fly Cart. This gradient right here was a little heavy, so I changed it. Some other settings in here, but you'll see down here, this is kind of where the font is. So if you change the font of your Divi site, you'll want to update some of those things here. Same thing with the font here. And then here's that background color for the continue shopping button right there. And then I'm also using that out here on this indicator on how many items in the cart. If you want to change that green color, that's in here as well. Yeah, this count span thing right here. So you update that. After you update it, you would select all of it, copy it all, and then paste it into here. But still keep this as a backup somewhere. That way you have it. I think that might be it for this one. But yeah, I don't like that background. So, I want to change that background now. Go back to my Fly Cart here. And I'll just upload a different image here. What would be cool? I thought that would be sweet. Let's try. Oh, this one could be fun. That could be kind of cool. Or this one. This one's probably pretty dope. Save. Refresh. Yeah, okay. But then you could, if you wanted to, you could go into my code there, and you can say, hey, this is too dark. We could try to find where that is at. I think it's going to be on here, on this guy. Nope. Okay, how about the inner? Yep, here's where it's going to be here. So we got a box shadow. And then we have the background color. Background image, but somewhere there's going to be I want to pause the video and find this. Okay, so I was super close. So here on this div right here was the background image and stuff, and I was like, man, where's that overlay on top of it? It's got to be, it says after right here. It's right here, which I do have in this code. I have it right here. This right here, this after. So this is setting 50% and 75% gradient there. If I turn that off, that was the original gradient, which is kind of gray color. I didn't like that, so I turned this on. But you could adjust to say, I want more of that to show. And then I definitely want more of this one to show down here, because the image is already dark down there. And so now you got a really cool looking Fly Cart. Now, some things like this plus and minus here is hard to read, so you might want to think about that. But All right, that's enough about the fly cart. It's a dope thing. Love it. All right, thanks for joining on this one.